Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Michkiah. Today I have a cooking video for you guys. I'll be making some steak. This is one of the many meals that I like to prepare on the weekend when I have more time, I'm not rushing or, need to be on the go. So yeah, stay tuned and you'll definitely see how I make this. Okay guys, so here I have my 2 pieces of T-bone steak I'm about to season. Steak is actually, I'm using some Creole, some Tony seasoning. I put it on everything, don't judge me. Steak is actually one of the meat that I prepare and I can like season it right away and just cook it, and I really don't have issues with the seasoning soaking into it or anything like that. My steak just always turns out good to me, like, so that's one thing. I'm putting some black pepper, season your steak on both sides. I don't believe in seasoning your meat in the pot, so that's why I'm doing it right here. Get a nice rub going. See, I picked up these grilling meat seasoning. It's from the seasoning line McCormick. These are really good on steak. I should have bought the one with the spice in it, but I totally forgot. But these two will do. The roasted garlic and herb, it is so good. And the Montreal steak, amazing. I don't make steak unless I use these 2 seasonings. So I'll not be adding any like natural salt to my steak because all these seasonings have salt in it, and that would just be too much. And I'm making my steak well done. I don't like medium rare. I don't like rare because I don't want to see no blood in my meat. See, I'm kind of patting the seasoning into the steak. Oh, it's gonna be so seasoning. So I'm gonna put my steak aside and I'm gonna get started on my my potatoes. I'm just gonna do some mashed potatoes. So right now I'm just peeling my potatoes. Then I'm gonna dice them and I'm gonna place them in my already boiling water that I added some salt to. So I'm washing my potatoes. So I added some thyme. Excuse me guys, some water was in my pot because I washed my dishes before I use them. So I've added some thyme and just a little bit of rosemary. And now I'm going to add my garlic. I'm seasoning my pot to, oh Lord. potatoes here boiling, so I'm gonna get to my quick little side salad that I will be having with my meal. So let's get to that. So dinner is all ready. About to share my mashed potatoes. Okay, there you have it, guys. Another successful recipe. Please remember to like and share my videos with your friends and family, and please remember to also subscribe to my channel. And if you never want to miss an upload, please turn on the notification bell and you'll continue seeing all the fabulous recipes. Until next time, bye!